video 6 in our series. We're left off where we actually had a separate class where we have a check user. Everything is static in this particular case. When you pass in a number, it returns the customer name for that particular one. So we want to do this from our API. So we're going to go back to full fun Java application over here, and we're going to make another API. We're going to do, in this case, we'll do a get mapping. We're going to make some changes to that a little later too, but let's go ahead and we're going to say DB, let's do customer. We'll call it customer. And inside this one, we are going to, return a string. We'll call it get customer. We're not going to pass any values into it right now. We're just going to go ahead and we are going to return the value from our DB piece that's static. So we can go ahead and use the class name piece dot check user. And we are going to pass in, let's pick a different number to make sure this is all working correctly. So let's pick a muscle machine, 151. So for now, we'll just pass in 151. That part. So now to access this API and this method, we are going to do this from a browser window. So because my previous ones, I was running DB practice, I can't just come up here and hit the green arrow. I actually have to run the full process here. So I can run FullStack, full fun down here. I can run full fun there. So we'll just go ahead and run full fun, and we'll go run as Java application. This should start our server. Go ahead and pick the right one out of that list. And we should get our Spring server running. There we go. Everything looks good. And now we can go to a browser and contact /customer. So let's come over here and we'll do /customer. And it pulls back muscle machine. So from the web page, I access the URL. The URL finds the right one as part of our API list here, which was customer. This customer then calls DB piece, which is a static class back here, which then talks to our database. Our database queries the number that got sent to it, puts in the question mark, and returns that particular customer name back to where it got called, which happens to be the API part, which then returns it all the way back to the web page. So now we have everything going from front to back, but still not really dynamic. So the next piece we're going to do is we're going to allow the user to type in which customer they want to see, and we'll try that piece out next.